Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to present how Safetica NXT, a data loss prevention app, works and a few key features of the app. So first was data loss prevention. Data breach, it's an intentional, unintentional release of sensitive, protected, and confidential information to an unauthorized person. So DLP, data loss prevention, it's a cybersecurity solution that detects and prevents these data breaches. DLP enables business to detect data loss, prevent illicit transfer of data outside the organization, and destruction of sensitive and personally identifiable data it prevents. So database numbers, if you look at the previous incidents in 2023, in 2,814 database incidents, over 8 billion records are breached. That's more than 260 records breached per second in 2023. And Indian Council of Medical Research data was exposed in 2023 when personal data of 850 million Indians were offered for sale on the dark web. This happened during the COVID-19 database of ICMR, where Indian people had their PAN number, Aadhaar card number, passport number, etc. stored. And about human error, over 52% of all security breach occur due to human error by the respective company's employee. And about global data breach, the average data breach of life cycle is 277 days. Which means it takes that long for organizations to identify and contain activities. Therefore, it costs around $4.5 billion per year for these companies to prevent data breach. So what's Safetica.NXT? Safetica NXT provides an easy-to-use on-premise and cloud-native data loss prevention and incident threat protection solution that helps the organizations secure their data and ensure regulatory compliance. So about the features, I want to move over to our dashboard of the Safetica NXT from the portal there. Here we can see the portal, Safetica NXT portal, and this is the dashboard. In the dashboard, we can see the high risk events, and high risk users. All of them are a overview of what the users about the users. We can filter them by last 7 days, 2 day, or last 30 days. For example, in last 30 days, there were over 86 high risk events and risk activities 12, and high risk users there are 3. And we can see the files that were being that were violated during this period. And here is the environment setting, which we haven't set up yet, so it's showing a status 45%. And if we move over to the next step, data security, here we can see that there are events like events per user, this non-Gonzalez. These are all dummy data that are provided by the portal when we signed up. We are actually using a trial version using our uGrade email. And we can see this Don Gonzalez. He violated the rules 48 times. Then this is my PC. I for to test for test purpose. I violated the rules 31 times, and these are all dummy data. And from event overview, we can see that I tried to copy Excel file to my pen drive, and which is blocked by the system. Blocked by the system. I can see there. Then I tried to copy a CSV file of credit card records. I tried to upload a file. All of these are logged here, and which like these are identified as risks, and these are not, because we didn't already mark them as risky. And from all events, we can see events per user. Already we saw here, but here it was just last 30 days. In all events, we can see all the events logged by all users of all time. And even by destination type, we can see that web browser. These are the web, like the files uploaded to Google Drive or cloud storage, and these are the files I sent through email. And it says that the safe destination and unsafe destination, untrusted, unsafe. We talk about them later. And USB devices, local pen network, and then these are the file categories. What type of files is sent, image or system files or video files, and these are the event overviews we previously already saw. Then over here in the shadow IT, we can see our company activities in the employees are using which website and using which apps like Google. It's usual that Google.com will be one of the highest used websites, and then Microsoft Teams and Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. It's like these are the official usual apps that company uses for their internal communication. And in the personal uses tab, we can see the personal uses like YouTube or Figma or Minecraft. Like someone in the was playing games using the company device. We can see them from here. Then in the user behavior, we can see the users who violated how many times, like who was last active when, like the our registered users are here. Then we can view detailed user activities, user behavior in this tab. In the destination tab, we can see the websites, email domains, or USB devices that can be marked as safe, unsafe, or unassigned by the company. For example, in the website tab, the safe websites would be SharePoint or DocuSign, the websites that are frequently used by the company. And for untrusted, there can be social media and competitor websites that simply we don't want our users to visit. And for unassigned, we can see the websites that are visited by the company and not yet marked as safe or unsafe. And in the email, we can see the email domains that we want to allow or disallow to send emails. We can add the company domains or supplier or customer domains in the safe option, and for untrusted we can mark Gmail, Yahoo, common use domains or other domains that we don't want our send emails to. And for unassigned, we can see the emails that were used by users but not as yet assigned as safe or unsafe. We can, for example, we can select an email as for the short mail and add it to safe or move to untrusted. Here, and we can see that Hotmail is now untrusted by the system. And for USB devices, we can see external SSD or pen drives, etc. Various devices that can be marked as safe or unsafe. For example, here Rebecca uses external SSD, which might be a company device. So I have marked this as safe, and she can easily copy or transfer data from her PC to this device. For untrusted, here are the USB devices that are not allowed by the company. So any type of operation, copy operation, will be blocked immediately according to the policy defined here. Here we can see some predefined policy by the company. Here are some policies. Let's delete the preset policies by us. So these are the policies that were previously like dummy policies. These are the dummy policies that were already set by the system, and we can add a new policy here. Select add policy. For example, we want to block copying of spreadsheet files to pen drive. So we can say this policy's name Excel block. And what we want this to do? We want this to block any type of copy operation of spreadsheets to USB devices. Okay, and we want to if we want, we can exclude safe destination. Like I said, Rebecca's USB device is not safe, is safe. So if we select this option, then we'll be able to copy spreadsheets to Rebecca's USB device, otherwise not. And for team, I have created a team for my device CC406. These two teams are predefined for sales and finance and management. I'm in this team, so I'm selecting this, and I've selected save. So this policy will now be saved, and it will be it at the top. These policies are evaluated from top to bottom. So if there are two similar policies enacting on the same file, that policy that is on the top will be enacted. And for data classification, the next step we can see that we can classify data based on personal or healthcare or financial documents or company documents or personal documents. And if we want, we can add a new type of data here. What type of data? There are three different algorithms. Like VAT and IFA number or healthcare directories, or there are some keywords. For example, like a finance document might have our currency taka as a keyword. So if we add keyword taka to the like finance documents, name this financial documents. So if the documents contains the word taka, then like taka or pk dot, all of them will be marked as unsafe. by the company, and we can see occurrences, how many occurrences of that document. Like for example, any document might have the word taka one or two times, but if it's appearing 100 times, then it must be financial document. Otherwise, there is no need to mention that word so much. So we save these documents as finance to, and a simple description. Example. Okay. So this has been set as a data classification. And in the devices tab, we can see the recently used devices here. Like these are the devices that has the our company client installed. And to install Safetica on a new device, we can select the download installer here. Download installer for Mac or Windows, both options are available. If we download the installer, then we can install it on a remote device, and that device will appear here for after installing. That device will appear here. Now I have this installed on, this is my PC and this is my teammate's PC. Both of these PC have the client installed, so these two are appearing. And I have added these two devices to the team CSC406 here to experiment on some sample policies. So let's begin with the policies. For example, there is a policy here. It's blocking the spreadsheet files, copying a copy of spreadsheet files to USB devices. So if you try to copy a spreadsheet file, like let's go to documents and try to copy a spreadsheet like the salary file, copy this to USB devices. If you try to copy this, then this will say the file transfer is blocked because this was violated by the company's security policy and the action was blocked. And let's see another policy here, cat files sent to any destination type. Like I cannot upload any cat files to any type of destination. We cannot print it. We cannot upload it to Google Drive, etc. Let's see whether we can do this or not. This is also applicable to my team CC406 here. So this is let me tell the post, right? This is my Google Drive, and I'm trying to upload the cat file here, and it's notifying me that I cannot upload this. Should not upload this because this is unauthorized. But if this was a notify operation, so if I still want to upload, I can upload this by selecting upload anyway. Then this will be uploaded here. I can see the upload was complete. And again, we can block transfer of zip files, as we can see here, like compressed files sent to any destination types. I have selected here this email. I cannot attach any type of files to email. If I want to attach, then I will be notified of the action. So let's, for example, if you see here, I'm trying to attach a, see here, this is the unauthorized option. So if I still want to upload, then upload anyway, select upload anyway, I'll be able to upload here. This is kind of like everything that we need to know about Safetica, how to use it, and the features overview. Let's see example script we have written to block the copying of spreadsheet files. As you have already seen, the Safetica can block copying of spreadsheet files. We have written a similar code in C# that can actually block the copying of spreadsheet files. Like here we can see that we have added some destination. These destinations are marked as unsafe by us. Like we do not want that spreadsheet file to be copied in these drives. Yeah, here these are the drives in my computer. These are the drives. I do not want my spreadsheet to go any of these drives, so I've still added them to the list. And what type of files I want to block? Here is the file filter. I want to block all Excel file, Excel access. I can select a PDF or JPG or PNG, any type of device, any type of files. And if I run this, like here's the exe file of the script. When this is running, we won't be able to copy any Excel file to the drives I said, like D, E, F. Let's see, for example, I'm trying to copy a Excel file. I'm trying to copy here, and let's say I was just to paste it here. See, it's not appearing here. So you'll think that the copy operation was not done or not successful. Actually, what happened here, we can see that the file was actually pasted here, but it was immediately deleted because the script was running. So through this script, we can block the copying or unauthorized operations to our devices. So this is everything. Thank you, everyone.